You can put this question in round 2. 8 players A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H participated in tennis tournament. Each player played exactly one match against each of the other 7 players. No match ended in a draw or tie. Exactly 5 out of the 8 person won exactly 5 matches. It is also known that G lost his matches against B, C, D, and so on and so forth. Now, the first thing to be noticed is that there are 8 players and they played one game with each of the other people. So, total number of matches will be 8C2, that is 28, and maximum number of wins for a person can be 7, right? Because every person will play 7 games, and if 28 matches will be there, you must have 28 wins, right? And it is given that exactly 5 out of these 8 players won 5 matches each, so 5 into 5, 25 wins we already have, right? Remaining 3 we need to determine. Third statement says only one player lost exactly 6 matches, that means 2 wins. So remaining out of remaining 3 wins, one player got exactly 2 wins. So the one person should get 1 win and one should get 0 wins. Right. Now if I draw the table based on this information, so we get this table. I have put cross here because A cannot play a match with A on itself, right? Now it's given that G lost his matches against B, C, D, and E. So in the row in which G is there, when there is a game between B and G, B wins. Similarly, C and G, C wins. Here D and it will be E. Similarly, in this column, it will be written as B, C, D, and E. Now F lost its match against A. So between match between F and A wins. Similarly, here it will become A, but lost against G. So F lost against G. So in this cell it will come G. So similarly, this will be G. G won its match against H. So G won its match against H. It will come G. It is also G. So in the previous one, F won against G. So this will be F, not G. And last says G and A lost its matches against C and D. So A between C and D, this will be C, this will be D. A between C and D, this will be C, and this will be D. Now there should be one player who has 0 wins. So if you see in this row, A has at least 1 win, B has at least 1 win, C has at least 2 wins, D has at least 2 wins, E has at least 1 wins, F has at least 1 win, G has at least 1 win, right? So the player who got 0 wins must be H. That means in this row, when there is a play game between A and H, A should win. Similarly here it will be B, it will be C, D, E, F, and same is with this column. It will be A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now all the players except A, B, C, D, E, F, all the players among A, B, C, D, E, F has at least 2 wins, right? So the person who got exactly 1 win has to be G in this case, because this is the only win which you have. That means in the game between A and G, A must win, and similarly it will come as A. Now for the remaining players, the number of wins has to be either 5 or 2, right? So and A had win at least 3 matches here, so it cannot have 2 wins, right? So that means remaining 2 matches have to be won by A, same as this case. Similarly, C has won at least 3 matches, so this must have 5 wins. D must have 5 wins. E and F and B, I am not sure, right? Now, if we see the questions, total number of matches played in the tournament, we have already calculated this, it is 28. How many players won exactly 1 match? It is 1. How many matches did A win in the tournament? We calculated now, 5. And how many matches did F win in the tournament? So we do not have data F for F. F can win either 2 matches or 5 matches. So answer is cannot be determined, option D.